Thank you, Lainey. New at 5, civil rights groups say they've won an important victory for First Amendment rights and free speech. Protesters banned from the court square near a Confederate monument in Graham last summer have won a settlement in federal court protecting their right to protest. Our Bill O'Neill breaks down the decision.
The settlement allows protesters access to the courthouse grounds where the Confederate monument is located. And it gives them First Amendment protection to say almost anything they want. Confrontations between protesters and sheriff's deputies last summer led to several arrests, some of those arrests coming as a result of explicit language.
One of the things this order does is make clear that the county sheriff's deputies cannot be arresting people simply for swearing at them, that is people's First Amendment right to use that strong language against law enforcement.
A spokesperson for the ACLU says freedom of speech protection ends when someone uses language to make threats of violence. A spokesperson for the group Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights Under Law says what protesters experienced last summer inspires much of the resentment the black community has against some members of law enforcement.
People who are protesting racism and police brutality and white supremacy be able to do that because for many people, the Confederate monument is a symbol of racism and white supremacy.
The ACLU says protesters across the country are facing a crackdown on their First Amendment rights.
And so we're seeing backlash both in terms of the action that local officials are taking to curb protest, but also legislatures sort of trying to do more to restrict this as well.
The ACLU points to several bills moving through the North Carolina legislature limiting protester rights, including one that makes interrupting a public meeting a felony on the second offense. The bill's sponsor, Senator Amy Galey of Alamance County, explained why she sponsored the bill in a recent interview with WXII 12 News.
It's been sad to me to see that people who come to public meetings don't seem to have a clear expectation of what's expected of them and how to act and how to behave.
The settlement gives law enforcement the right to limit access to the courthouse grounds, but only on a short-term basis brought on by an emergency situation. Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.